SI14 is 97 and the stock is extremely overbought on SI14, but may also continue to gain. Some stocks see their best performance while being overbought, but very seldom does RSI remain so high for a long time without short corrections. Risk has therefore increased and larger daily movements can be expected over the next couple of days. Volatile ride for Immutep Limited stock price on Thursday moving between $5.22 and $7.95, updated on December 10, 2020. Buy or hold candidate since the 2nd of November 2020 gained 228.90% PDF. The Immutep Limited stock price gained 163.43% on the last trading day, Thursday, 10th of December 2020, rising from $2.16 to $5.69, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 52.44% from a day low at $5.22 to a day high of $7.95. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 204.28% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 281 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 281 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.60 billion. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $2.60, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $3.22 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. Signals and forecast. The Immutep Limited stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $2.58 and $2.05. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, November 25, 2020, and so far it has risen 204.28%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Support, risk and stop loss. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. $5.69. This stock has average movements during a day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.74 between high and low, or 52.44%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 14.55%. The Immutep Limited stock is extremely overbought on SI14, 97. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but since the stock has broken the trend up, the chance for a major correction due to high RSI is very small, as the stock will find support at the trend broken. Our recommended stop loss, $5.52, minus 3.06%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. The SI14 is 97 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 10 days ago. Is Immutep Limited Stock A buy? Immutep Limited holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy candidate to a hold, accumulate candidate. Current score, 0.000. The general sentiment holds a neutral evaluation of the stock right now. The sentiment is based upon 43 votes on StockTwits. Predicted opening price for Immutep Limited of Friday, December 11, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price.